Students, let us continue the sixth question. Find the LCM and HCF of 408 and 170 by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, so here already you learned to how to find the HCF using the division algorithm. You don't do that method. Here they mention the method by fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So you have to write in the prime factor form. Okay, in the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, they given all the composite numbers can write in the power of prime numbers. Okay, so you have to do the prime factorization. After writing the prime factorization, you find the LCM and HCF according to their rule. Okay, so given numbers 408 and 170, we can do the prime factorization. Okay, till the number reach 1, you have to do. That means that is the ending of the factorization. So you can write the factors in the power form. Okay, here you get 2 3 times, so 2 power 3, 3 only one time, and 17 also only one time. Like the same 170, when we divide using the prime number, 2 into 5 into 70, that you write it correctly. Okay, then what is the LCM? LCM means with the greatest powers in each prime factor. Okay, greatest product of greatest powers of each prime factor. You don't think of it is not in the second list. Shall I take that prime factor? Okay, you have to take all the prime factors in that list with the highest power. Okay, with the greatest power. You see here 2, 3, 17, 2, 5, 17. Okay, then here also better you write in the order. So which is the smallest base? 2. So we can write the 2. In this 2, which is the highest power? 3. So 2 power 3. Okay, greatest power of that prime factor 2 is 3. Then what about 3? Only one place that you write the same into. The next one you can write 5. If you write 17 also not a mistake, you can write 5. 5 only one place, so that same power you write one time. Then 17 in both the places we have, but the power is same, so this only one number with the same power. Okay, so we get 2 power 3 into 3 into 5 into 17. Now we can find out the LCM by multiplying this value. Okay, 2 power 3 means what is the value? 8. Okay, 8 into 5, it is 40. 40 into 3, 4 3s are 12, so it is 120. Now we can multiply 17 into 12. Okay, 7 12s are 72, so 7 remaining, 1 12 is 12 plus 7, it is 19. Now this is product is 7 12s are 84. Okay, 84, the remainder 8, 1 12 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, but we have to multiply using 120, no, so it is 2040. Okay, so we get the product is 2040, that is LCM is 2040. Okay, so we done the LCM using the fundamental theorem. Next we have to do the HCF. Okay, the same way from the factors, the HCF is the product of common factor, product of least power with common factor. You don't choose all the factors. Here you have to take greatest power, that means highest power with each prime factor. But for the HCF, product of smallest power with common prime factors. Okay, so here common prime factors are 2 and 70. Am I correct? This 3 is not in the second number factorization, and 5 is not in the first number factorization. So 2 and 17 only the common factors in these two. Which is the lowest power, smallest power of 2? It is the 1. The same way you can find out the smallest power of 17, but this both powers are same, so you write this 17. Okay, same power, no? So any one factor you can write. So you can write the HCF is 2 power 1 into 17 power 1. That means 2 into 70. Okay, what is the value of 2 into 17? 34. Okay, so 34 is the HCF. So we can write the HCF equal to product of smallest powers of common factors of involved numbers, that is equal to 2 into 17, that is 34. This is the HCF. So we can write the answer together. First one, LCM of 408 and 170 is 2040. Second one, like the same, HCF of 408 and 170 is 34. Okay, so we completed this LCM and HCF using the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Are you clear? We can continue the seventh question. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. Okay, so you have to find the greatest number with containing 6 digit greatest number which is exactly divisible by the numbers 24, 15 and 36. Okay. So in the 6 digit greatest number, you choose the greatest, not smallest or anyone. Okay, what is the 6 digit greatest number actually? 9999, 6 digits. Okay, this is the 6 digit greatest number, but is it divisible by this all numbers? You have to check. How to check? For that, first of all, you find the LCM of these three given numbers 24, 15 and 36. Are you clear? First of all, you find the LCM of the given three numbers 24, 15 and 36. Then that if the LCM is divisible by this 6 digit, we can say that number is divisible by these three numbers. Okay. So first of all, we can find the LCM. We can start the solution. First, given numbers are 24, 15 and 36. To find the LCM of 24, 15 and 36. Okay, how to write 24 without factorization? Can you say? If you can, you write, otherwise you factorize and that. I will do the factorization. It is your work. You have to do the factorization, or without doing the factorization, anyway you need to write the numbers, factors, that means prime factors, in the correct power form. Okay. So I completed the LCM. Here you no need to write the definition of the LCM and LCM. Okay. They did not mention in any method. If they mention the fundamental theorem of arithmetic method, you have to mention the definition of the LCM and HCF. How to find. Okay. But here you no need to write. Just normally how to find the LCM, like the same way you can do. Now here I done separately. If you can do this three numbers together also. Okay, anyway we get it is 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 into 5. 2 power 3 is 8. 8 5s are 40. 40 into this 3 power 2 9. So now 4 9s are 36. It is 360. Okay, so we get the LCM is 360. Then what is the greatest 6 digit number? We have the greatest 6 digit number is here you write we know. Okay, is 99999. So it is 9,99,999. Okay, that is the number. Now you have to divide this number using the LCM. Okay, are you clear? So you have to divide this number using the LCM. So 360, using 360, 3 table you can, the 300 table you think of, 300 into 3 is 900, but for 60 it is not possible. So only for 2 we can divide. Okay, 36 into 2 is 72. So the remainder, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 7 2, 279. Then you bring the next number. Okay, so this number you can 27, this last 2 digit here, except this 2 digit you find out, see the last digit 3. So 9 3s are 27, but for the remaining numbers it is not possible. Now you can try for 8. 36 into 8, what is the number? It is also more than 2800. Okay, so for 7 is possible. 7 into 7 into 0 0, 7 6 are 42, remainder 4, 7 3s are 21 into 4, it is 25. So you will get as, okay, like the same you can write again the same number. So you are getting the remainder is 279. Now the division over. If you want to complete, you will get the decimal point, but we have to stop this to continue the sum. Okay, now what is the remainder? 279. Using this number only we are going to continue. So you subtract this 279 from this 6 digit greatest number, you will get the answer. Okay. Therefore, record greatest number is 9,99,999 minus the remainder 279. Okay, that is equal to what you get, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2, sorry, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2 7, the remaining 3 9. So the number is 9,99,720. It is the exact number divisible by 6 digit greatest number divisible by 24, 15 and 36. Okay, so you can write the answer. Record number is 9,99,720. Okay, are you all clear?